Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Minecraft Getsockopt connection timed out error. So make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to fix the issue. Now first of all, just go to the search section of your Windows and from here just enter network and just open the setting, view network connections. This is basically in control panel. So once you're in this section, you will be seeing all your like Wi-Fi connections or like the connection methods that you have been using, either it is Ethernet or like local network. So right now you can see that Wi-Fi is connected. So whatever your network is connected, just right click on it and click on properties. And once you click on properties, you will be seeing this interface. So from here, just open Internet Protocol version 4. Just double click on it and make sure to choose this one, obtain an IP address automatically. And in this server, like DNS, use the following DNS server. In the first section, just enter 888, 8, 8, and 8. And in the alternate, just enter 8, 8, 4, and 4. And once done, click on OK and click on OK. And once the setting is saved, let's say that your issue is still not fixed. So what you can do is just go to the search section and enter here CMD. Open your command prompt, and inside the command prompt, you just need to enter these two, this address ipconfig/flush DNS. Just copy it, or you can just write down here. Press enter, and as you can see, successfully flushed. And then the second one, netsh winsock reset. Copy, or you just enter it. Press enter, and as you can see, like successful requires and run as admin. And make sure that when you open CMD, like make sure to open is run as administrator. And once you do that, after that, just make sure to enter these two commands: ipconfig flush dns netsh winsock reset. And after that, just restart your PC or laptop. And once you restart, hopefully your issue will be fixed. So make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel if you find this video useful.